The biggest compliment you can pay the Dethleffs Alpa I is that it is very possible to forget you're in a motorhome. This 8.54-meter beauty has more of an apartment feel than it does a conventional motorhome. In fact, were it an apartment in London, you'd be the envy of your friends. And it'd probably be 3 times the price. The attraction of the Alpa is the huge rear lounge, which is rare for a German manufacturer. With a U-shaped layout right across the back of the vehicle, the i78-202 can comfortably sit 6 or even 7 around the table, making it an entertainer's dream. This area can be reworked as a spacious double bed should 4 berths be required, but the main sleeping accommodation is found above the cab. This comfortable sleeping area drops down electronically and is accessed via a ladder, conveniently found in a pull-out cupboard. A deluxe memory foam mattress ensures a comfortable night. There's loads of room in the kitchen area with extra worktop space, large drawers, and an XXL fridge suction freezer. The whole motorhome benefits from panoramic windows, meaning you even get an amazing view while slaving over a hot stove, as long as you're parked in the right place. Slightly unusually, the oven and grill are found above the fridge. A new lighting system has been utilized, which indirectly illuminates wall and floor elements. This is extremely effective in creating an atmospheric ambience, while panoramic skylights offer plenty of natural light. The bathroom area delivers on its promise of extreme comfort with a large shower, sink, and toilet, which can, of course, be separated off by doors for privacy. There's Aldo heating throughout, and a deep double floor allows for ample storage on top of the generous garage area. The double floor, along with interior and exterior aluminum skin, means it can legitimately claim to be 100% winterproof, ensuring year-round travel